tail wrapped up still?
Yeah, his tail's still. Jaden, go comb his hair. Go comb his hair. Oh, nice. Hi, horsey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You like him, Jaden?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Yeah, who's the one that always boy?
What is it?
I told him who the Nay.
Oh, his name is Nay.
Yeah, I'm calling Nay.
Can you ride him?
Yeah.
How? Show me how you ride him. That's a neat toy. I would have liked that when I was a kid. Yeah. That's from Mom and Dad. Say, thank you.
That.
Dad. You want to call Gom? You want to call Gom?
Yeah.
What are you going to say? Merry Christmas?
Yeah.
Keep it at the thoroughbred, Pinky.
Okay. Jaden, let's do your cash register.
Yeah.
Horses can sleep standing up.
I think new moms can sleep standing up too.
They could see 360 degrees because their eyes on their side of their head at one time.
Oh, really?
At one time they can see 360. The fastest horse ever went 55 miles per hour.
Is that your horsey, Jaden?
There's 60 million horses in the world. Approximately.
Where are you getting all these horse fun facts from? Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
C, D, E, F, G. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh, look, she's making him carry it. He's like a mule. W, X, Y, and Z.